to SK Programming. In this video, we are going to learn about how to pass argument using command line argument. Or what is the use of string args? So here I write down thus how to pass argument using command line or public static void main string args. What is use of string args? It means that in this lecture we are going to learn about this array. Okay. First of all, start our this video. We have a knowledge about an array. In simple terms, whenever square bracket is with variable name, that must be a array type. You learn it in C language or C++. Here, what is string args? Args is an array of type string. So, how to use this array in Java? Now, let's we start our coding or our program. Through program, we understand string args array use. I just write here class A. Then define our main method. Here you can interchange it also. If you want to write here static and here public, then it's also acceptable. And if you want to write here public and here static is also acceptable. It's no matter of these statements. Now we just start our program. Now what's the first step? First step to declare a class. So I already declare a class. Then second one is declare our main method. I already declare our main method. Which the use of this args array I just explain you. Whenever we run our program java c a.java, what happen here? This is java c command is used for compilation. We just compile our program like this. Okay. Then after, if the compilation error is not found, then we run our program using java a. Then we press enter. Okay. So I just system dot out dot print. In last video we discussed about this method or this statement, how to print statement in Java. Here I just write working. Let me check our program is work or not. So first of all, third step is to save this program. First is declare a class, second is declare main method, and third one is to save the program with class name. So I copy class name is A only. Okay. Now control S, Java, I just press here a dot. Whenever we save our program, that time we must require to add dot Java extension with class name. So our class name is a dot Java. Okay, then save. Here our program is saved with a dot Java. Now I want to compile our program. So my program stored in download Java directory. So first need to compile java c, then class name dot Java. There are no any compilation error found, so we are capable or to run the Java program. Java class name. A simple message is display working. So our program is working. Now I delete this statement. Now understand what is arg and how to work with it. So in simple, we use these two commands to compile and Java and run our Java program. So now concentrate on this command. Whenever we want to run our program, Java keyword is used. Whenever we run our program, Java keyword is used after we assign our class name. So I use a our class name. After writing our class name, I just make one space and I use a. Then I use b. Okay. So I explain that how to pass argument using command line. So in this is a command line. Okay. So I pass two argument. When we run our program with Java keyword, after Java keyword our class name, then space, and then you write anything, write 10 or any string. Okay. It may be after the class name you write anything with space, it's an argument. Means here I pass two argument. Okay, if I write here a b, then c, then 10, then 15, this could be a argument. Here I pass 1 2 3 4 and 5 numbers of argument. Okay, but this we are in learning phase, so I use just only two arguments, so I remove this. So now the problem is that how to print this argument in our Java program. So I simply say you that this and this argument store in args array. How to store it? Your first argument is stored as a equal to a and args 2 equal to 1 equal to b. We just here pass two arguments. Okay, a and b. I want to retrieve in our program. So whenever you pass your argument here after class name, that argument copy one by one in this string args array. The first argument is stored in zeroth position of args array and second argument is stored in first position of string array. So args of 0 is equal to this argument and args of 1 equal to this argument. Now I want to print this two argument. Anything I pass here I want to just print is, so I use just system dot out dot println. Here I write that first argument is, so our first argument is where stored in args array, which position? This is our first argument, so array index start with always 0. The first argument is stored in 0th position. So I copy this line here, just paste, then write again, I copy this. Now second argument is stored in first position, so this just I change the position 0 to 1. So what will be our output? Whenever you write this and press enter, our output should be our output must be a. Here I send second, and our output going to like this. Okay, let's start to understand our code. First we compile our program. Whenever no compilation error found, then we can able to run our program. So I run our program simply, but I want to run our program with not this line. I want to run our program with arguments. So I write like this, just Java command, then class name, then one space, then triple A, then space, then triple B. Whatever I want to pass here, I can able to pass anything is argument like this. And what happen? Whenever Java sees that this statement, Java compiler found these two argument, and this first argument stored in args of 0's position and this second argument stored in args of 1 position. Then compiler goes here, void main method is found this array with length 2 like 1 and 2, and then come here because this two line is commentable. Then print this first argument is, then find args of 0. Args of 0 are stored triple A, then is print triple A. Then next line print ln, cursor blink here, then print this line. Then find args of 1. Args of 1 means second argument, and print bbb. Here one thing is in your mind, what is a plus? Plus is a one type of operator overloaded provided by Java. Okay, plus operator is used to concatenate the two string. In Java, whatever you concatenate with string, it also converted in string. You do not need to write two string function. So Java cannot support operator overloading, but Java provides predefined operator overload like a plus. Here plus work as a concatenation of string, because this is our first string and this is our second string. This is our first string, this is our second thing. So you must prepare your mind as a plus operator is used to concatenate two or more strings. Okay, so here we concatenate two strings. First string is this and second is a, which retrieve on first argument. Here first string is this and second is bbb, retrieve on argument. Now let's we compile or run our program to check our output. Now I save program, compile successful, then run. To run program we pass two arguments. Okay, like a, second bbb. The first argument is a, second argument bbb. Now I want to compile run once again, but I want to pass like some name, Ravi Kukadia. Then it will also print Ravi Kukadia. Okay, so now you understand that what is the use of string args function and how to pass argument using command line. Okay, to pass argument using command line you just need to write this. You also write here John baby, so you print John baby here. Okay, this is our simple program. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. If you have any query, then comment. Thank you for watching my video.